Hello families, this year due to COVID, the financial aid application workshops are going to be done virtually via Zoom. Please register to attend one of the workshops once you receive the link via text message or email. You can also access the link on our school website under admissions financial aid application. Also, please watch this short video that is going to show you how to fill out the blue financial aid application that you probably already received. Now that you're done filling out the blue financial aid application, please download the Lens app on your Android or your iPhone, because that's the way that you're going to send us all of the financial aid documentation along with the blue application. This link was already sent to you via text message or email, or you can also access the information on how to download the app on our school website. Thank you.